Hi, to set up tag triggers and variable, we need Google Tag Manager. And when you will hire someone, then you need to give your Google Tag Manager access to him. So let's see how you can do that. First, you can see here, this is our Google Tag Manager account overview. So from here, just click on admin. Today, I'm gonna share with you how we can give account access. Sometimes we have multiple containers like web containers, server containers. So that's why we need to give account access. So to give account access, you can see here is account, and from accounts, you need to go user management. Then click on this plus icon, add users. Then write your email here, then click on enter, and then select account permission, like you just want to give user access or administrator access. So if you just want to give him the full control, like to set up tag triggers variable as well as the published, so that he can check, then you should give the administrator access. So I'm gonna click here, as well as from the container you need to select publish, then click on done. After that, click on invite, and then he will get an email, and from this email he will be able to receive the invitation. So that's the thing. Stay with me. Thanks.